Go to Ollama website. Then click on Download, select Linux, and copy the install command. Open the terminal, paste the install command, and run it. This downloads Ollama, installs it, and starts the Ollama service. Be patient and wait for the process to complete. After the installation is complete, return to the Ollama website, click Models, and choose a model to download and run. For this tutorial, I'll use the Llama 3.2 1B model. Copy the run command, return to the terminal, paste it, and run it. This may take some time, especially for very large models. When it finishes, a send a message prompt will appear. Type something and press enter to test it. Next, we will install Docker. All commands and links are in the description. First, set up Docker's apt repository by copying, pasting, and running the commands in the terminal. If you're using an Ubuntu derivative, like Linux Mint or Pop! OS, change the version codename to the Ubuntu codename before running the command. After this, we'll install the Docker engine. Copy, paste, and run the command. At the end, we'll verify the Docker installation. Copy, paste, and run the command. Then wait a few seconds. If everything works correctly, you should see the Hello from Docker message. The last step is to install Open WebUI. Go to the Open WebUI GitHub page. Scroll down to If Ollama is on your computer, use this command. Copy, paste, and run the command. If you get a permission denied error, use the following command. After running it, log out and log back in. Then run Open WebUI installation command again. After the installation is complete, open your browser and enter the Open WebUI URL. If everything works correctly, you should see a page with a Get Started option at the bottom. Click Get Started and create your admin account on the next page. Next, you should see the Open WebUI main page. In the top left corner, select the model you downloaded during the Ollama setup. If no models appear in the drop-down, there is likely a communication issue between Docker and Ollama. To fix this issue, first find Docker's gateway IP address. Then, open the Ollama service file and create a new variable for your user account named ollama_host. To configure Ollama to listen broadly, set ollama_host to 0.0.0.0, allowing it to listen on all network interfaces. Personally, I'll set ollama_host variable to Docker's gateway IP address 172.17.0.1, so it's open only to my computer. After adding the variable, save the service file by pressing Ctrl+O, then enter, and Ctrl+X to exit. Next, reload the system configuration. And restart the Ollama service. Open your browser, load Open WebUI page, select your model, and test it. Now that you've reached the end of the video, please consider subscribing and liking it. Feel free to ask any questions or leave a comment. Thank you.